guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Roshni Sharma. Hope you guys doing good and taking good care of yourselves. So मेरे पिछले वीडियो में मैंने आपको बताया था कि फॉरेन लैंग्वेज क्यों सीखना चाहिए और फॉरेन लैंग्वेज के क्या बेनिफिट्स होते हैं. आज मैं इस वीडियो में बताऊंगी कि आपको फॉरेन लैंग्वेज कहाँ से सीखनी है, कौन सी टॉप 10 यूनिवर्सिटीज़ है जहाँ से आपको फॉरेन लैंग्वेज सीखनी चाहिए. गाइस, नंबर 1 यूनिवर्सिटी है JNU, जवाहरलाल नेहरू यूनिवर्सिटी. This university is the largest university in India. So guys, this university offers variety of courses for foreign language and you will have a great choices of languages which you want to learn from this university. So number 2 university is Delhi University. So Delhi University provides variety of courses for foreign languages. So guys, Delhi University provides languages such as Spanish language, French, German language courses and also not so common language such as Polish and Serbian. Apart from German, Spanish and French language, Delhi University also provide courses such as Polish and Serbian language course. So if you want to learn Polish language and Serbian, you can always enroll from Delhi University. So the third university from which you should learn a foreign language is EFLU, Hyderabad. It's headquartered in Hyderabad. So EFLU holds third position in the list of best foreign language and English language courses. EFLU also offers plenty of undergraduate and postgraduate degree. So guys, talking about the fourth university from where you should learn a foreign language is Banaras Hindu University. Banaras Hindu University is one of the oldest universities in India, which provides plenty of courses which are popular not only in India but also all over the Asia and Europe. So guys, talking about the fifth university from where you should learn a foreign language is Jamia Millia Islamia. This university is based in Delhi and it offers plenty of graduate and diploma courses in foreign languages such as Russian, Portuguese and Spanish. So anyone who wants to learn Russian language, you can always opt from this university. Not all the universities provide Russian and Portuguese courses. So any of you want to learn Portuguese or Russian language, you can always enroll yourself to this university called Jamia Millia Islamia. So the sixth university from where you should learn a foreign language is University of Calcutta. It is one of the prestigious universities in India and renowned one. So you can always go for University of Calcutta if you want to learn Russian language and Mandarin language, Japanese language and Persian languages. So most of you want to learn Chinese like Mandarin language and you are interested in learning Japanese language too. So you can always enroll from this university. So number 7 university from where you should learn a foreign language is Indira Gandhi National Open University, IGNOU. It provides not only graduate, postgraduate but also doctorate in French and Arabic and also diploma in German language courses. So any of you who are interested in learning Arabic language, who is pretty much interested in learning French and German and especially Arabic languages, I would suggest you to enroll yourself in this university. So guys, number 8 university from where you should learn a foreign language is Pune University. Pune University provide advanced diploma in French, German and Russian languages. So guys, the best part of this university is that it not only provides full-time courses but also part-time courses. Guys, whatever work you're doing right now, you can always enroll yourself in this university and do a part-time language course from Pune University. Guys, number 9 university from where you should learn a foreign language is Mumbai University. So Mumbai University provides graduate and diploma courses in French and German languages. So the number 10th university from where you should learn a foreign language is, last but not the least, Vishwa Bharati University. Guys, this university provides certificate in French, German, Roman languages. So any of you are interested in learning Roman languages, you can always go and enroll in this university. So you can see that Vishwa Bharati University not only provide short-term certifications, but also help students to groom and become best translators and interpreters in language of expertise. So this is my video of today. Hope you guys liked it, and if you like, so do subscribe to my channel. I'll come up with such more useful videos so that it will help you to mold your career. Till then, take care of yourselves. Bye bye.